In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can earn $500 in a day using this simple strategy. You don't need social media following for this, no skills are required and even complete beginner can do this and get paid. In today's video, I will show you a unique strategy to make money online through the use of several different platforms. And since I have a huge bonus at the end of this video to make even more money, make sure you keep watching. But before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to know how to make money online in the easiest way. Smash the like button, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. So in today's video, I will be going over a quite unique strategy to make some good money online, and I want you to keep watching because at the end of this video, I will give you a tool that will boost your earnings. As you can see, I am now over at offerworld.com. For those of you who haven't heard about it, you can basically find thousands of different offers here in this platform that you can promote. Whenever someone click in your referral link or either sign up or make a purchase depending on what type of offer you are promoting, you will get paid. With all of that said, the very first thing you will have to do here before you can promote anything is to click on register button in order to create an account. From there, you will have to enter your full name, email address and password before choosing your country and clicking on the submit button located below. Once done, log into your new account. Your next step will be to find an offer to promote. You will be focusing on one type of offer in particular giveaways, and so what you need to do is type in gift card in the search bar right here. This will now show you all of these gift cards and giveaways, and they are in my opinion one of the best offers to promote, because it's far easier to get someone to sign up to some giveaway rather than to some random website from which they have no use for. Anyways, here is one gift card giveaway I found. Check out what it says here. I will earn this amount per lead. So when someone sign up to the website that is offering the giveaway, I will earn this amount. A number of people signing up could lead to a decent amount of earnings. You can already see how much potential this has and making you a lot of money online. And by the way, if you are learning a lot from this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now when you find something that you like, you will just need to click on the run offer below, which will take you to the affiliate network, where you will have to sign up before being able to grab that affiliate link. Once you grab the link, head over to the next platform that we will be using today, which is plugco.in. This is an application that allows you to promote other apps via your referral links and earn money as a result. They actually pay quite decently per install. Now how this platform fits into the strategy and how this will get us paid alongside the offer vault, you will see in a second. So make sure to keep watching. In any case, what you need to do is install this application and grab a referral link for any application that you want. Which application you want to go for doesn't matter. You will basically grab that referral link in, and you now want to head over to the next two platforms that we will be using today to get paid, the ones that will actually get us traffic. The first traffic source will be Facebook, more specifically Facebook groups. What you will need to do here is search for Make Money Online groups, since after all we are promoting gifts and giveaways and you will want to join all of these groups here. What you will need to do is to leave a post in some of these groups. Now if you say something like check out this giveaway or whether leave your offer vault affiliate link, you won't get that much traffic and people will just scroll past your post without even clicking on your link. So here is what you will need to write. Instead, you want to say something like gift card giveaway like myself at the start of the post, and you want to leave this instruction below that people need to follow if they want to participate. And if they follow all these instructions, you will send them your offer vault affiliate link. By the way, make sure to say something like only a few number of people can participate and have an opportunity to win, as this will create a sense of urgency in people who see the post, which increases the chances of them following this instruction below. Now the first step should be for them to like your post. They will then need to leave a comment that they have done so, and the last step they need to take before they can participate in the giveaway is install the application, and this is where Plugco comes in. People will need to install the application that you are promoting through Plugco before they can participate in giveaway. In this fashion, you will be able to get far more engagement in your post, and as a bonus, you will be able to make more money from both Plugco and Offer Vault. Whenever someone gets the application you are promoting, you will get paid. You will then send the person the link to the gift card giveaway, and when they sign up there, you will also get paid. So it's a win for you. This is why we are using Plugco. It will allow us to make far more money. Now what you will want to do here is basically leave the same post in all of these groups that you can find on Facebook, and I can guarantee that you will get quite a few signups through your referral link. Now once again, if you want a quicker result and if you want done for you solution that will do all the hard work for you and help you to promote any offer that you want and earning autopilot commission, you can check out the link in the video description below and get the instant access to the breakout code. Once again, click on the link down below and start earning $500 in commission every single day. Now if you think that today's video is too difficult and if you want much easier and simpler method to make money, I have something really special to show you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the video description below, click on that right now and throw your name and email address, and I send you over all the details into your email inbox. And that's bring me to the end of this video. I will see you inside the next video.